Hi guys, I'm Laura. Welcome to Ningbo Marshall. Today's product is Ratchet hand wrenching tackle block. It is always found in the line construction. It serves to tighten up the stranded steel wire and aluminum stranded conductor and some others. The surface is made of galvanized or powder coated. First of all, we should make sure that the ratchet does not contact the spring below. And then break the snap above the ratchet. And now we can turn the wrench. This product has two models with related load of 10 or 20 kN. The weights are 3.6 kilograms or 6.5 kilograms. If you want to know more details and information, please consult our website.